What's up, guys? Abel here with Ramirez Lawn Services. I'm sorry I didn't record any videos today. We was just going. We had a lot of yards for today, and actually, I took my mower to the dealership so they can replace the hydraulic, and I didn't have time to record any videos. But I'm gonna record this video because I'm gonna sharp the blades on the Dixie chopper. Um, and I'm gonna use this type of jack. I bought it in Harbor Freight, and I also want to try this half-inch DeWalt impact drive and see what it do. I always want to try something different, make it easier. But I'm gonna set you up somewhere and see if I can get this blade sharpened. I'm gonna do them on both mowers, the Dixie chopper and the right stander. We also gonna clean up the air filters. I got a new fuel filter on the Dixie chopper. Got a new belt on it. I was on a property the other day when my belt broke off. This one right here, and so I had to take it to the dealership. While I was there getting the hydraulic changed, I told him to go ahead and put the new belt on it. So that's it, guys. I'll talk to you in a few minutes when I get this done. Hopefully I can get it done. It's 6:15 and it's getting dark. I'm losing daylight, so this is gonna be a very short video. I hope you enjoy it, and I guess I'll see you another time, guys. Thank you. Here, guys, this is the highest this lift goes, and I wish it can go a little higher, but I think this is high enough. Gives you enough to take them blades off right here. Oh, I actually need to clean up my deck too. It's just been a busy week, and I don't think it needs to go any higher, because if it goes higher, this will hit the ground, so we don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna set you up again over here so you can enjoy the video. is the right stander. I love this machine. I love both of them. They both do excellent job. I have no problem with both of them. And I use my Dixie chopper as much as I use my right stander. I end up putting new blades on the Dixie chopper because the blades I had on there, it was dull, so I went and put the new ones on there. And I don't know how this ones look, but I think this one is gonna be okay. I'm just gonna sharpen them. I got my GoPro mount right here, and the only difference on the right stander with this jack is you have to make sure them wheels are gonna be pointed this way, both wheels. If not, this is gonna catch your wheels, right, your dead wheels, so we won't go up. I mean, it's not gonna catch the whole wheel, but it's gonna catch this bracket right here, and you can do some damage to your mower like that. So that's the only difference on this. Let's raise it up and see. It's nice, isn't it? Today I'm just gonna do the blades, and tomorrow maybe, or Monday, I'm gonna do the oil changes on both of them. And I gotta wash them. I gotta wash both of them. Got my trash right here, my fuel gauge. The only thing is right here on the Dixie chopper is it doesn't have any fuel gauges. No fuel gauge. It's got 2 tanks, but it's got a cut off valve right here, right and left tank. Guys, this thing really do an amazing job. It's got a lot of power. My buddy here in the shop been using it, and I told him to give it a try and see what he thinks. And he been using it here at the shop, and he say it does really good. He been using it for a week, and I haven't charged the battery full charge. Of course, I have this Flex Bolt 60 volt batteries, and they're really good. I like them. I got 2 of them. I bought them at Home Depot, and they do really good. So I'm losing daylight, guys, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen the blades on this right stander, and conclude this video as soon as I get done. Thank you, guys. Alright, guys, I am done. It is dark out here. I'm in the shop. Just got done sharpening the blades for the right stander. I didn't record anything on the right stander. I thought I did it, but I didn't. I guess I never mashed record on the GoPro. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't realize until I went and picked it up, and it wasn't recording. So I'm finished here. I did I sharpened the blade on both mowers, the right stander, and the Dixie Chopper Silver Eagle. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna load up, and I'm gonna be headed home. I gotta get some rest, and I still got work to do tomorrow. And I'm gonna go ahead and conclude the video here. And for all of you that follows me and are subscribed to my channel. Thank you for your subscription, and hopefully soon I get more videos of mowing, weed eating, and basically working videos, but this video was just something I wanted to do. Thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy your weekend. I hope I enjoy mine too. Talk to you later, guys.